Hi, my nature beauties. It's your girl, Roti Roots, coming today. You guys, check it out. We did these 5 DIYs. I'm just gonna say 2 because of the bulbs were 4, and that's technically just one project. And then this nice, it's the most wonderful time of the year DIY, and I love it, you guys. Love, love, love how all of them turned out. Of course, they are Kate Spade themed to go with our craft room. So if you would like to see how I DIY this beautiful sign right here and these 4 Christmas tree bulbs using Dollar Tree products, and you guys, I'm super duper excited. And if you would like to see how I did these little quick Christmas DIYs, they wasn't quick, y'all, but quick, because we're gonna do YouTube time, so it'll be quick DIYs. Keep on watching. Okay, you guys, first you're gonna take the caps off of the bulbs. Y'all remember these came from Dollar Tree. Then you're going to use whatever paint of your choice. These are the paints that I'm using. They're pink, black, and white, of course. The Kate Spade theme. You're going to pour some in the bulbs. You guys, that pink one is kind of thick, so I honestly should have used a little water with it to thin it out a little bit, but I made it work. So keep pouring more till you can cover the whole bulb. That's your goal, is to cover. Okay, you guys, with this ribbon deal, right? I really originally wanted this ribbon, of course, because it goes with the craft room. So that's just the ribbon I want. For some reason, I'm not being able to find this ribbon. So I bought this ribbon instead from Walmart, and I'm going to try to see what this look like. And then I got these 2 right here from Dollar Tree I already had. But if I don't like this, y'all, I'm definitely going Michael's and Hobby Lobby tomorrow and see if I can find this. So y'all will see at the end with the finish if I was able to find this. So here, you guys, I'm cutting some of the pink tape to put around the black ball to do my stripes. I usually use the painter's tape, the blue tape, but it was downstairs in the Mister's Man Cave, and I didn't feel like going down there to get it, so we just worked with what we had upstairs. And as you can see, I'm having trouble trying to get it cut, but we worked it out, you guys, and we got it cut and we wrapped it around. Okay, you guys, the goal here is to actually get the tape on the bulbs. It don't have to be perfectly straight. I'm just trying to get this stripes on there. Right here, I realized the tape was a little bit too wide, and I don't want the stripes to be wide, so I went back and cut the tape again. But you guys, like I said, they don't have to be perfect, because at the end of the day, it's going to turn out super cute regardless. Y'all see how the tape on there. If I would have had the painter's tape, of course, I could have did it a little bit better. But at the end of the day, we made it work. So that was cool by using the regular red tape. And you guys, that red tape came from Dollar Tree as well. And now I'm just going to paint the stripes on there and call it a day. You guys, I went back and bought the chalk paint. So next DIY, I will be using the chalk paint. But as for right now, I use exactly what I had on hand, which I could have did 2 coats, but I only did 1, and it still turned out cute. Okay, you guys, the footage for this bulb, I just used the black Sharpie that Dollar Tree sells, and I just made the circles on it. I had to delete that footage, you guys, because I was completely out of frame. I don't know how, but I was 100% out of frame, and y'all wouldn't have seen nothing. But right here, I'm just gluing on the ribbon I bought from Walmart for, I think it was like $2.50. I'm just gluing that on, and I'm going to use that to hang the ornaments on the Christmas tree. Right here, I'm going to make a cute little small bow to put on top of the ornament. You guys, I'm not good at making bows, so my bows will not be perfect, but they turned out cute. As you can see, I had to fondle with it a couple times to get it. Y'all, I'm not good at it. See, you guys, it turned out cute. And here's the black one. Super cute. It turned out so cute. Okay, here I'm going to put the top back on, and then take the tape off and do a little touch up at the end, because I made a mistake and scratched the top when I was putting the top on. I don't know if you see where my hand at. I kind of scratched the paint off of it a little bit. So I'm going to touch that up, and then I'll be finished with this one. And it turned out so cute. And I didn't have to use the painter's tape. Okay, here I'm showing you guys how the bow turned out. You see a few little spots where I have to do a little touch up, like I was telling you earlier. I kind of scratched it with my nail by mistake on the top when I was putting the cap back on. I'm going to fix that, and then where the tape was at on the side a little bit, I'm going to fix that, and it turned out cute, as you can see. Okay, you guys, the beginning of this project was an epic fail. That cardboard came from Lowe's. I bought it to do another project that I didn't use, and then of course those stencils came from Dollar Tree. You guys, those stencils suck. Those stencils suck. Suck. They are made of paper, and that's what made this an epic fail. But I redeemed myself and came back and did a cute job. As you can see, I'm just slightly painting it, going along my business, and you guys will see the finish, and y'all gonna be like, what happened? What happened? Okay, you guys, I don't know what happened to the footage of me showing you guys the finished part of the stencils. Y'all, I messed it up. I messed it up big time, and I had to wait till it dry. Came back the next day and redeemed myself. As you can see, I painted over it, and I'm gonna redeem myself. I'm not about to let it get the best of me, you guys. So here I use the blow dryer to speed up the process of it drying, because I was trying to get this um, video out to you guys. So I just used my blow dryer and speed up the process of it drying. So here's the tea about these Dollar Tree stencils. As you can see, it's all wrinkled and looking crazy, right? You guys, they are paper. I thought it was plastic this whole time, and it's actually paper. You know, when I said I messed up, so the day before, I caught myself going downstairs and rinsing the paint off of it to use it again, because I want to redeem myself. So y'all see I'm using the round instead of the paintbrush. I'm using the round brushes. But anywho, you guys, the thing is paper, and it's all sticking up and looking crazy now. So I had to hold it down all crazy and extra. But we're trying to make it work. We're trying to make it work, and it turned out cute. But this time I just had to use those circles so I can dab it versus trying to paint it, because it got everywhere with me trying to actually use the paintbrush and paint them. Okay, you guys, this is the finished part of it, and it turned out cute. It's a little messy, but we're gonna roll with it. And again, we're using our blow dryer to speed up time to get this stuff dried so I can get this video out to you guys. Here I'm gonna use this Dollar Tree snow ball floral pick I bought. I wanted to cut the stem off of you guys, but again, we just moved. We're still looking for certain stuff, and I still haven't found my wire cutters. So I just folded it in half and glued it down. Here I'm going to use some Dollar Tree mirror ornaments plus one. I think that's like a medium size Dollar Tree ornament. It's like a white, pearlish, silver color. I'm going to glue both of those down. Here I decided to use the same ribbon to make a bow to tie this picture into the same as the ornaments, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the finish of all my DIYs, starting off the Christmas year right for 2019, you guys. So, how do you like the Spade theme inspired
DIYs. Of course, these are going in the craft room, right? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, if this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, be on the lookout for the rest of my DIYs for this Christmas 2019 year. Thanks for watching again, and bye.